Hey yo, Braz, don't forget, Rap Holy released a banger with some WACK rappers. Paraskolapo, the song is out now on YouTube. Just search Rap Holy, the hottest is grand, but ungamfaki la hottest is grand. Nangone thing hot, but she's not hot anyway.
She's
But it's fine. How you all doing, guys? How you all doing?
The doing is fine.
the doing. Anilunganga.
Kuthatha broken English into the so
I bought in a broken English. Braz, English will be very expensive, more than your life. So, Kusaqalwa. I don't know. This is a boyfriend there. This is about life. It's time is not about money today. Then was it about how you all doing, guys?
I'm good.
Moshobo, right? Okay. So, Braz, can you please tell us more about you, Ayaka, Mkhwesana,
Hayibo.
Umbangani,
Mkhwenkwezi.
say
Oh, Mkhwenkwese. You can tell us more about you. Where you came from?
and how you started modeling. Yeah.
Just tell us the whole story.
Okay. Nani ngayakha. Yo, ndayiqala modeling last of last year. Yeah, last of last year.
How did you start modeling exactly?
Yo, hayike.
Waqala njani ngifuna kwenza umodele zonke zonke.
Yeah.
Yeah, ibile phupho lami ke since primary.
Khala khangifumana chance
Can't find a chance.
Mama ke ma uyenze kula nyaka.
Ngenxa into personal but I know some.
Oh, okay.
My question was, how did you start modeling? Waqala njani umodela? What made you uba umodela? Yekuba ayile phupho lakho.
Yintoni ke ezondenza modeling kodwa hayibo guys hayi.
Sinika lo mhlambe wabona umuntu emodela kwanye wathini? No, raise your hand.
Okay.
Ndiyona kwenza modela.
Ugogo wami wayimodel.
Guys, I'm sick. I'll come again.
Braya qoka, there's no way.
Yani.
Waqelela.
No, ndayiphupha then why
Why pull bra?
I say why
You were sleeping. Then waphupha ugogo waqelela uba yimodel.
Okay, umbube modelisha.
Namphuba modelisha.
So to me guys no. Guys.
Don't forget always well. Okay, mama, stay serious. Okay, so wamphubuko wakhe model. Then wavuka wathi nawe you need to model.
No, ndabalisela umama. Then mama ngicela ugogo wami wayimodel. First islang ndaphupha ugogo wami ne. Ugogo wami mazi literally. Ndaphupha umuntu omodelisha engugogo. So ndabalisela umama ngimna kodwa umama ugogo wami wayimodel. So ke ngokuqala xa kuhamba ixesha so nami ndabantu iziphupho yabo. So yeah.
Uziphupha umodelisha. Okay. Aqala phupha ugogo wakho enwaza ngawo. Okay, good.
So since when you're gonna get kalaba pupeni ukuziphuphe biggest stage as a modeling okanye uziphupha nje kwi-local events ezifana nezo
No.
banibani
Of course.
uyaziphupha
With
so
the stage.
how many titles unazo ngokuze modeling like i-sessions and stuff
1, 2, 3. I think it's 4 but it's quite 5.
ngiyajola ma
Hi bo. Like message nah guys. Okay.
uyajola
Yes.
initials umntu wakho
Initials.
SM.
Oh,
yeah
SM.
SM
Gusman even nani hayibo.
bani
Oh.
usimanye bani
Hayi ke.
Hayi ngiyani kuthi ufuna umsearch?
Hayibo.
Hayibo lo mntu.
Hayi ke ngoku.
Hayi ke ngokunyani.
ndibona umboke Brian let's read your biography that you sent me
Khale sabuza.
okay first of all you said Ayaka Mkhwesane part of the LGBTQ community. I'm an upcoming content creator. I'm currently doing modeling, fashion modeling, and page and remodeling. And I'm glad that I got a chance to be inspiration to our generation. My goal is for every gay out there to actually find themselves and be bold and proud of who they are. I'm using the following platforms, okay? We don't care about that.
Yo.
Hayi but we do. What if you? Oh, okay.
For now, don't care.
Okay.
We will care about them later when we close the podcast. So ngoku like sisithi la kuyinto fashion like ngephi into wakho modela kuye fashion
Don't it's KVT Koto.
ayazi
Ibi runway like ibi khona like.
Angikhomoni kasho.
But ayo lapha yase kubona eGermany yes. Yase Germany but bize up. That's South Africa.
so benenzani eKhayelitsha
Not eKhayelitsha.
like for now like eKhayelitsha benenza ntoni
Bese beku invite ichomi yami. Then like enguliem. So like like wangicela since be like besonqona uhamba yedwa like ayikho enye indawo. So wazongicela ke so namkhapha.
okay le baba
Ulema Thonsi. The Thonsi yes do man.
So, Ayaka, how do you feel about the negative comments about like modeling yakho?
Yo, I am nazo shem funa
I
uxoxa.
don't feel anything
Awunazi feelings.
And like angazi fumana zo comments.
Oh, awuzifumani.
Yes.
No. That's cool.
so la show I saying like tell us the day like your first day when you started to model like ibinjani like the feeling of stepping a stage for the first time
So thina yo bendi nervous. But bendi excited. You hayininzi bendisoyika you hayi.
Kuningi.
Kuningi.
But waqoma ndiyayenza le. No matter what.
Yes. of
Like,
course.
okay, so what winner after attempts zingaphi?
I think I lost 2 titles. Which is Miss Strand. No Miss Sam, yeah. Z2 qha.
Oh.
so tell me as a part of
LGBTQ+.
Into leyo.
Hayibo
Yintoni yani? Hayibo yintoni?
yo hayi le ntombazana ufuna
Kune-rasta.
Hayi.
oyaba into le okay kanti ngifuna ubona yazi ngaka inhloko simele lesbian
Okay.
gay bisexual transgender
Kaloku ndi-straight bendizoyazi laphi loo nto.
Q.
Bendizoyazi laphi loo nto. Hayi.
what does
Andinalo
Q
ixesha
mean?
lezo zinto shem.
Like uQ mele uQ.
Q, like Q.
Q like
Q.
you are
Oh.
guys like no like QUE.
Oh,
Oh.
Q-U-E
Ah.
like Q ntoni
Hayi ke.
Ngifuna uyazi
About QUE. Q.
Yayi ba QUE ne but
The meaning of
kumele ndo la chuka lo.
Kumtu.
What does it mean?
Like I think I'm not sure.
Yabuz.
not sure.
But I think kumuntu like attracted kwi gender zonke.
Okay.
Khawucele benzoyathi lapha yokulalento.
Okay.
Benzoyathi.
So like ila part. So tell us about you growing up being a part of LG. Pop song mase part ze LG binto lo.
Nope.
Not sure.
Yewe.
Andiyongo mna kona nibangikayazi.
Dude kipazi LG binto ntoni.
Hayi.
Ukhona uscrate. Qani mfakanga dude.
Support LGBTQ.
Ukhona uscrate. So now we are part of LG binto ntoni.
Kaloku lamagama melini like inzothina like kwi like inzothina iwan cause uyicacisa lento but like igender ezingaphandle ko-male and female.
Yes, nambe ngicinga njalo.
Kwephandle kwe-male and female.
Isijela
Like i-gay.
ezigoso.
Okay, bra, like I don't think I'm discriminator
Jim.
or whatever.
You are.
No, I'm not. And funa yaba ngeziphi gender eziphandle ko-male and female.
Okay. Okay.
Yo.
Lesbian.
What? What are you talking
Ngiyamvusa umthini ngake so that's why ndikhuza.
No, bra, ngifuna yaba ngeziphi. Kaloku zikhona.
Kaloku ikhona i-straight gay kubekho
Oh.
i-gay
Njani?
mna ndi-straight.
Straight gay.
Gay.
Ewe like i-gay ekwazi ujola ne-lesbian.
Oh.
Tomboy yintoni yona?
Yi-lesbian.
I-lesbian yabo itombo ibuza njalo nto. Khona umuntu ongalaziyo lo gama.
Yabona i-gay like zikhona eza-gay like i-gay like engalala nentombazane kube khona engasozelala nentombazane.
Yeah, okay. Ndinayitsho nje yakhe sana.
Lo if like i-gay ekwazi ulala nentombazana ilalale namajita angumuntu bisexual lo,
Yes.
which is akayogika lo bisexual now as we used to.
Okusala ugay.
Bakaloku like ugay like iyachaza uba like so thina-
Naye akekho
like
straight.
mna ndizirepresenta njani like as
But now bisexual, which is like okay now.
like ubisexual like
Uyi-gay but uyi-gay e-bisexual. Hayibo. Utheni ngabe kanjalo?
Iza kule fact dude ntikade zikhona igender eziphandle male and female. Listen to this.
Sithi ezogender ke. Ufuna ndadisho sithi aba bantu aba umuntu straight like yaba.
Yabhiwa kuyizento about uze eBhayibheli go to church.
I
The
get it.
reason why they say it ayikona igender what because there's only two genders.
Kaloku
Because yazi once there's only two because bona abazibize izigender. Nisibiza ngobani nithi ngo them. And then
kaloku azo
they and which nisibiza njalo and nisibiza izigender. That's why ufika nako into ukubhale others.
and others. Okay. But
Which
still
is-
yona loo nto.
Into egay nento ayo gender bras.
you I guess that.
Ayo gender.
Transgender.
Hayi ugender
Transonishile igender yakhe.
Manje amazi umuntu transgender umuntu njani?
Nto okhuphe ivevet yakhe wakufaka enye. Nto okhuphe like i-private parts zakhe.
Umuntu transgender umuntu onento ozalwe nento ezimbini.
uyaphosa.
I-private parts ezimbini.
No.
Uyaphosa.
Umuntu otransgender
Uyaphosa.
umuntu oremove i-body parts zakhe afake ezirongo.
When you transgender and then you get as you grow up to change ukhethe
Usikhethela uba usebenzisa
aba bantu abenza izinto bazitshintshe misunderstanding of where
Okay, transgender.
so you
umuntu ozalwe nento
ukhethe uba ngumzito ka ukhethe bayimwethe
Iyenzeka loo nto bafana.
Kaloku why esithi like kwi-private party eziyi-2
it is
Hayi ba ikhona loo nto nonzala private yezithu.
you choose ba ngeke esebenzayo uko ngiyazikhethela uba
You? What if you need to sebenza sayithi? You kutheni ngilalela yakhe mna?
okanye like uzabe like unento unebanana but you have boobs like female boobs. Transgender dude.
Okay, kutheni mna ndingenayo. I so
okanye
usibekile shame
okanye uzalwe nepari zomuntu ongutata but
ube unguyifemale transgender like
transgender
because all along ke sana na transgender ngumuntu or remove
Right,
ibody
that's
part.
insane.
yabo transgender which is yabo elagama noma limele transaction I think
Yeah, but that's why
Eh, but Tom, that's why like the transaction, because like you from jail to get.
yabona if
It transaction from this to this.
Eh, but yes,
if
not
like,
to my
if
Tom.
like the other day, I decided that I go to cut my banana, I cut my banana and then put ipesiga. I'm not a transgender.
Xa iposta le nto cela abantu bacommente uba yintoni
Asshole.
Dilibe bazinto kho izinto ezidefine ifemini nefemini. Libazi kuthiwa zintoni ezakanene. Andani bazi into but ezidefine into.
Hormones.
Ausifine into
Hormones.
esifine into
Because another biza nge-X. Khona manje no X intondoni. And intondoni zikhona bras.
Elokuza ehlukanisa umfana nentombazane ama-hormones.
Uthi intondoni uyenze physics.
No.
Telling you.
It's not physics, it's life science.
Ikhona dude into ezidefine into female and
Yes.
Abo so if now I decided to cut into yami which is transgender kanje ngumuntu ozale nento ezimbili
Hayi shembe
Hayi, guys,
singayazi
like,
thina all along
bakhona
i-transgender
abantu abanjalo.
kuthiwa uyi-transgender kuthiwa utshintsha
Babi.
intontweni yakhe
mafuna research more especially you must do research more
Oh, I
because
get
you're
that.
part of LGBTQ
kama wena uyiyo
Hi.
akekho esmos akho esmos so which is akekho straight akho esa alosiko esm anokuchu ndo uchilo mozochu ngumuntu
okay
okuyinto zona yabo which is andani ndona I'm not a lesbian I'm straight
as ese
okay tell us more about ese tell us more about ese who's ese
Ayamazi nalomuntu.
na yamazi
bani ese bafazi
Exam.
okay how many exes do you have exactly
ezi-serious like ezi-serious nyani
before
Hayi,
before
basibonke.
count the
hayi nje like ngokuna-5 like ngokubuvu
Ngoloyenza
ko-grade
XS. Ngoba idlisa ngoguys X umuntu oyidlisileyo.
like ngento edlisileyo nyana ngo into edlisileyo Tommy ewe
okay bra I want to know how many do you have
okay masibuze kanti udlise abangaphi
Hayi ke ninjalo.
buza kayo la how many exes do you have
andichitha
how many exes do you have
Hayibo hayi guys, personal kakhulu leyo.
ayikho personal
it's not
Hayibo
Hayibo,
guys.
it's not Hayibo, it's
for
not
example
It's not.
one ex is I think 9
Oh.
I think 9
no
9 yeah
usezantsi gqithi umntu asekhaya
yeah what is more
dlala mani
so how many do you have like
No hayi guys, andizukwazi uzichaza but like
awuzuchaza amagama abo just like
Eh,
inamba
kwayinani hayi.
okanye you lost count Tommy ke sana kungenzeka andiqondile ke sana
so when like tell us man we need to know we need to understand like LGBT community like all of you like before ni attempted to do izinto zangapha elwandle so nenza ntoni exactly like what do you do first because I watched any movie ndibe bayibiza ngoba intoni I think it was sex education ne yeah sex education where there was this guy who wanted ebe gay then he wanted to do camera njengomjita but he was afraid to do it then what kanje they need to go to with steps I don't know what steps like izinto because understand if like straight umjita ne female you know there's no steps there they just eat whatever gone like how it goes going
No, andizuzazi kaloku nam but like
how
kaloku like
maybe
Hayi.
kuya kho steps like zange wakwakho into steps kuwe funeka like uqale nigqithe kunto ethile ukuze nifike
kunjalo ke
kule
wena.
how steps how they
No but like so thina andiyazi ke like Kama kama mathathu kaloku like
I love you. SEX.
Nthando niyaba ingqozo ezimdaka.
Umtakanyana.
Yabo?
Hayibo.
Yeah, we need come taka xa ndithi I love you.
Ngichaze.
Yeah?
Njalo wethu.
Huh?
Hayibo wena.
Andivanga.
Andivanga nami.
Hayibo na like into like njenge-chive like into ezinjalo.
Oh,
Kaloku like thina uyabona like
i-triplets.
thina funeka sicleanse like i-backbone.
I-triplets. Isazi i-triplets.
Into wena.
Triplets.
HIV.
Triplets.
Hefs.
KFC.
HIV.
HIV.
Oh, and if I clean say backbone. How do you clean backbone?
The clinic of course.
Is it true, Bunny?
Kaloku it's either like so thina but clinic
Utsho wena ba you have to clean backbone.
bakaloku yo hayi ke sana like nani kuyela like
Kalbuza something. Is it true?
Nah, bro, you need to tell us. People need to know how to clean backbone exactly.
Yes.
kaloku like
Stop laughing. Let's be serious, guys. How do you clean backbone?
kaloku like ngizothina xa umfana like esenza sex nomnye umfana then like i-sperm sihlala phaa kwi-backbone so like funeka uyoyicleanisa.
How? Ikhona lento oyiseliswayo okanye like kufakwa
andiyazi andikayicleanisi mna shem
Oh.
sosifo ndiyayizazi uba ndiyizisa.
Is it true ba like xa uyenza kakhulu like yabo ye lose i-brains? Like inyani ziyaphela like
andiyazi mna experience but like senzisukuyiboy
Ngiyibona kuba.
yo hayi
wena
hey hayi ke ngoku
ziyaphela i-brains.
Bra, let me
like not like umntu like onormal like oyenza like i-sex normal like since like yena apart from mna like ngokwazi kwam like since weqwayisa so like ke ngoku
Kuthini uqwayisa?
yo hayi ke ngoku
Oh, okay. Andingamxhosa kaloku. Wayeqwayisa that's why okay.
Okay, bro, let me say this. Kubuyele pha, bro, please. Mabuyele pha. Bra, kubuyele pha.
Ngoba
Braz, I know what you're talking about. Ngena kubuyele pha umjita. Akubuyele pha umjita, bra.
ureboli.
Kubuyele pha, bra. I know ngithetha ngayo. I know ngithetha. Akubuyele pha umjita. Yeah, we can continue.
Ikhathi lebhadi.
Ayizukhathi.
Ah,
We can continue, braz.
besiphi?
listen
Ngisinto nqoyiza.
Oh, banga abe prostitute that's why. Wakwaphi kwacho before? Akumfana athi hayi yangiqhela ntwana njalo nayo mna. Ikakwenzeka lana.
eboncinci
Oh. Uyafila njani? Ungekabi nemizwa apho of like nothing.
like that guy like thandingabi ne-feelings
Like ngokusomdala uthi uthi into serious like sangoba nayo lento. How do you feel ngamajita lithini la gama andifuna ubiza wrong. A hypocrite. Yeah, a hypocrite. Yeah. Amajita like athatha kakubi ngeni like nge-gays but like bajola ne-gays balala nathi but like athatha kakubi ngathi.
hayi ingxakani baweyanga mna sha
Zange waba nawo umjito onjalo.
I did and that was my very
Igama lakhe.
hayi oh moya mdala
Hayi nyani ngasalibiza igama bani. Hayi hypocrite. Because like why ezoba njalo? I hate umjito onje yana mna.
Uthi kanti.
We I hate umjito.
hayibo
Awuthe ngithonga mina songiqala kakubi.
hayi uthanda uzawutyeka
Ngiyangumntu lapha uthi kanti. Wayezotsheka. Okay, so I want to know like the full story. How me bra? I want to know like the full story, but since like we gay, ibinjani journey yakho like as a gay? I want to hear a song as a story. How did you realize but now I'm gay? How did you manage? Because you know because when you're gay like amajita, we all be like yo alandwana.
Ubala lantu ba hayibo.
Like
Wedini
for sure,
coaching.
you have heard this on this. How did you manage? How did you realize but okay now I'm gay? I accept myself. Then ngaphuma phandle babakubone. How did you manage zonke eza negativity zabantu?
like mna yo Ndandisemncinci kakhulu.
Yeah.
And ke like ndandisengumfana ke lengalaa xesha. Kodwa ndingengomfana like ngaphakathi like ngaphandle like ndandingumfana. Angibathini. Like ndandingumfana like ngaphandle but not ngaphakathi.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clarify more.
Yeah. So they're like ndandithanda amajita like yabo. So ke like ku bakhetha koyibantu babo.
Kuchomi yakho Chomi. Awurongo.
Tell us more.
So ke like ndazibona ke ukuba like no
I'm not
like
straight.
yeah ibon
So uye waconfessa kulo mjita?
Nope.
Why not? Siba weak man.
Hayi ndandisengcinci nana.
Okay.
Then abazali bakho ngoku when they notice you about you are changing, you start wearing props, you start wearing into zamantombazana, like ibinjani like towards you abeqala ukubona okay like especially your father. Because you all know umuntu ongitata xa inomntana ngumjita expect into eyi-1. So xa sekubona wena utshintsha ngoku like ibinjani like indlela akutreata ngayo.
So thina like umuntu like onditreata the best like ngutatam nomamam.
Umntata akho nomama.
Yima understand like
Kakhulu.
okay. Oqala accept futhi.
But mama waqala accept but
Yeah, ndifuna like the moment that akho wa realize ba uya gay. Wayenjani towards
Be
you?
furious.
no, I won't say like you were straight but like why right but like why ngeka accept like ncam.
So zazikhona indlela zoba like uya doubt ba ish.
How?
Hey ntoni nawe ngoku?
Ntoko.
Indlela zoba
Bayibo unyanam tontontontonton.
like my son.
I was
So now I won't have into.
Umakoti and stuff.
Zawuthi mhlawumbe wayedoubt ne but like wayengazibonisi kum like buya doubt.
Okay, ndamthanda umzalo njalo ke
So
sana.
expect mama yakho yena abantu bala kumama they expect abazukulu. So yena wayenga expectanga into ba ufuna bezukulu and stuff. Awuzana abantwana yena.
Ha?
Nope.
Like
mhlawumbe asoze.
Asezonduni.
Wenze njani swami iziqhafu?
Hayi ndotya birthday mna.
Ay, uright wena Chomi yami. Right.
Chomi.
Instead of eating you when you just do as physics, take your things.
Mhlawumbe ndiyayenza le.
Abantwana.
Because I can't go interested question ngingixoxa.
Awunazi feelings zayo. I have a friend of mine ebe iChomi yami ne. Wathi yena kabatsho like yo guys
Chomi like
wayisenzela igama. What?
Wathi mamela. Iyabatsha ne partner lo nakwi girls. Kwabafana.
Oh, come. Oh, wathi the londo ke sana baleke yena akaziyenzeli girls. Akanazi feelings the girls. Akanazi feelings obama like makabi my into yakhe my
No, Chomi, I'm not anibajwa ne. But like
Chomi ngicela umphendule nobhuti wakhe kavuki.
Jena ndibuzayo kaloku.
Wenyani like
how?
ubhuti akavuki na.
Kaloku le ndizama icacisa nami ba like uyavuka ne. But like not like kwamantombazana kubafana.
Oh,
Okay, like-
so like okay.
So noma mna ndingahamba yimpundu wawuphambi kwakho.
Ndikusedyuse
Like I would feel like ngizothi na like xa ndibona intombazana like ingathi
Ubona
nayo
ichomi
laa nto
yakho.
ndinayo yabo like le nto anayo nam nayo.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yeah.
So if like yeah,
But
it's
njena
like-
ngondindo mangazintombazane yamangaze mina ndiyakwazi ubhatywa.
Awukho straight.
Awukho
sisi.
straight,
Awukho straight.
Nje.
Kaloku yena we gay straight.
So iyafuna konje besitsho into baba wena if like yabona mos amantombazana love in mos gay they love invited them kwizi sleepovers yalalwa akhalishwa so zakwa experience la mntu uthuni ikhalethe nentombazana pa ichomi yakho ethi hayibo chomi
Hayi siyakhatlisha nje.
what's the remote now
Like
Iyavuka ubhuti xa ukhaklisha
la
nentombazane echomi yakho.
intombazana ikhalishile
I thought
so savuke
sauce.
wo
So le nto like ingaphakathi ku-gays.
So
I thought into abayenzayo.
In your body.
Please bakavuki.
Serious.
I have a friend of mine wandixela uba uyavuka ke sani tshomi yami wandixela uba uyavuka but noba kuye kaloku
Uzololiyema.
Like nyhani guys ebelele eKaizer like nyhani ndine-proof evidence ebelele eKaizer behleli
Ayo
ebhedini
type yakho
Serious.
akungumntu okuqala ethetha loo nto netshomi yam uba belapha phoba kasetshomi yam ngoku ne but wayithetha loo nto
What uyavuka?
wathi akayivuki ndinetshomi eziyi-2 eziyi-gays
Iyavuka like but not.
omnye wathi iyavuka omnye wathi akayivuki
Ikhona yoba but ayikho yoba ingavuki kwayona.
okay le evuka yila gay like engekho la gay engekho straight
Wena xa uhleli like entweni like mhlambe ibona mose singamajita eklasini. Wena isiyo tishala lapha. Ayazi mose time ajonga. Khabe ebhalini. So wena zange ngenzeka kuwe lana. Tu noma tishala wathi pha.
akekho umr uqomba ufuna phi elwandle ukhona umr phaa elwandle soziba
By crush yakho.
Bani na?
noba yi-celebrity
Usmanye.
like yeah
Balo smanya ne. I want to see this guy. Yeah, uthini?
ndifuna ukubuza enye into ke sana you very andiyazi uba injani but like ndiyayibuza anyways so wena uzoya kwi-initiation school like uzoyivuma loo nto like uzoya kwi-initiation school
Chomkhocacisa.
guys yintoni
Uzoya nawe uyokoluka.
Oh ewe.
bengafuna uyibeka njalo ke sanda but
Yes. Awuqoba kwami score.
i-right loo nto tshomi ya
Red 10.
Hayibo guys ngisemncane.
How old are you?
16 years.
tshomi ncimo zot 18 ke sana 19 into ezinjalo
But like anikafiki 16 so bana 16.
ya soze hayi asiphatha wena
Hayi bro, ukudela nje.
Like
Utsho
tata
nomzimba.
mude ba.
Like umdela kunam bro. Check swell.
oh
So don't you think stage esukuso as time goes on like awunala vision yakho uba hayi awunala vision yakho uba one day will be the man of the house.
Man.
Sense of vision.
awunayo laa nto tshomi
Can you put on your body for one day?
Ferdinand, Rebon, what do you mean? Rebon!
Let me clarify. Like in Funala where you band can listen only okay no.
Okay.
Na for sure is awuyenza le nto.
What do you mean?
I want you.
Oh, ndiyamvurepholi.
Okay, ndiyavuma.
Ndiyamvurepholi. Akafuna uvukelwa.
Hayiba ukhadlishi wena. Yeah, ke.
I'm still flabbergasted, but it's 5.
Hayi.
So when okay, pause.
Why nyani kwitoilet ngifuna uqhama nami ke sani. Oqhama. Yes, by toilet now.
So Sunday was like awunayo la nto yoba sisi stage omele budlule kuso and then uzibone in the future as the man of the house ufika ukuthi bantwana bami ngizanwethile as the man of the house.
Why son no.
Awuziboni Chomi. So awuziboni nomfazi wena Chomi.
Hayi.
Oh.
Ndinomfana like hensizwe ukuthi ngumfana umfazi hayi.
Ufuna umfana Chomi. Yes,
so
spirit.
like if like you're dating umjita, like who's going to be the wife, who's going to be the father?
Hayibona uyibuza njani into enjalo?
Okay, let's say you date
Kaloku
umjita.
ayikwazi uba ngumuntu kaloku. Yeah, ayikwazi uba 50-50 then suppose uba
It's
ukhona.
definitely she's gonna be the wife.
Yabona.
But now athi ufuna abantwana umjita. Athi baby mina ndifuna abantwana. Like how would you handle that situation?
Uzozama
Ndizala
iqanda.
abantwana mina hayibo.
Uyabafuna yena wena ewe yena when you can't but then yena he wants
Zininzi indlela zokwenza umntana. Zininzi. Makazame iqanda noma lelikabani afake isperm sakhe kulo. Kwenzeka fertilization.
then when I would
Back on
be happy
zygote.
to have another woman's child.
One thing like babe female bezobana lanto.
Angawazi wayiphi.
ingakakayazi uba uzophinda
Uzophela athi ngiyana yakha.
Wathi moshakala podcast.
If he being
Right, zadingana izinto.
Yes. Abamniki nechance baphendule.
Umjidi unawo umlomo, she can answer. Bekwazi ukuphendulela.
okay pendulayo.
Yilona ntombi, how would you manage that?
Ingxakanti yazi ba like insulting because like
Ngasifumana umfana ongafuni abantwana.
Hayi.
Tom like anditsho njalo nepa like why izobafuna kum because like abantu
Akazibafuna kuwe uzokuxelela uba sithanda sami ndifuna abantwana.
Ngayivuma.
Akabafuni kuwe he's gonna find someone else to make kids with but lo mntana uzohlala nani he won't be dating that person. That's what I'm trying to say. About how would you feel ke ngoku if angabeya kanjani?
Ngayivuma
I
lonto.
don't mind Shem.
I don't mind.
Okay,
Akho nithi mama kalale nalo muntu ne.
akala kunekuthwaxo
No. Malikhutshwa iqanda kulo muntu. Xa ovulate lo muntu malikhutshwa iqanda libekwe kuintoto.
bala mthoxa boyi-2
Hayi. Anoqhaqisa umuntu wami mina soze sani.
Wakwachitela.
Oh, kentombazana.
Hayibo
Ngicela.
thina
Wakho chitela ngentombazana ka wakho watyela intombazana na.
ewe ndake nayityela intombazana.
Oh. Ayicela umbize sengacela. Makabize.
a lot of time
A lot of times. No.
Awatyela intombazana.
Cela ubabize baname. Basibabona.
Hayibo na
Initials.
Initials, yeah, initials.
SM
Ise ngosimamanya ke.
No. Intombazana. Simama.
Usibale. Ubali.
no bayamntana
Bawuya.
bayamntali yema bayamntala umhlophe
tsho mntu umthetha singxakini
Ubani?
into madam
okay
Initials kaloku.
tsho mntu kwenza nee-initials
Hayibo ziyafana initials abantu sozoziqekelele.
thetha tsho igama umzekelo uba uthe u-A awuzokuthetha
Oh.
njani
Okay, so like wampheza nguwe kumjida wakhe ngumjida wazakuwe.
umshito waza kum
Wazakuwe. Wavuma nawe.
ngikho
So-
interested kuye
How did you meet your best friend?
oh
Who's your best friend? Best friend.
tebo
Your male best friend. You've been like best friends since childhood or
2 years
2 years. So how did it happen?
like thina hayi andiyazi
Umfana tebo.
Akudinga sometimes nje best friend akucimba dambakelo kanye lo mjida.
Ikhona into esinoyenza.
Ayikho lona. Because only amajida ezi best friend abantu bazali bakhona bayelomnye.
mhlawumbi kuye but not kum
Oh.
nope
No.
Straight guy. Straight.
yes
Straight. Like
Sorry,
it is a
a
whole
question to you. Would you be friends with a gay?
gay
Best friends.
best friend. Yeah, kuni wrong with you.
Ayukho nyanyani shem.
Nah,
Ay, kadeka your best friend leyo. You can't want your best friend.
usingabila feelings
Maybe as feelings your best friend. Hayi bosawuba. Hayi.
don't want to ngasa is fine.
ngene zolinquma
Okay, xa ubuza like
Ngasa like uyanimosha uyanibetray ngo. Especially if you're bani straight. If you're straight, you're
So-
not allowed to ngasa izinto. Don't ngasa me. Yayimosha.
awukayifumana iclass nentombazana.
nope
Uba ungayifumana ungathini?
I have a question.
akho ngxaki like if ever like apha like so thina like walapha ndizawuphuma of course ngikho
Uhambe noba like ufike upha ungahamba. Awuzibuka usenza i-drum qoma like nampe. Like what if yena
like
ukwenza?
andili namantombazana
Ngiyakubona ke sa.
ngoma bafana
Okay. I guess.
Huh?
I guess.
yes
Ngomba bafana nzili namantombazana.
ngoma umuntu onamandla ami like amantombazana ayibo
But you see now you are changing it because you said close days I was busy in Tomazan.
Yes.
But now what you have a strength of a of a man.
She does.
Yo,
Like,
wena
hayi
yikho le
bo, guys, hayi, hayi,
i-feelings
guys,
ne-strength singenazo
Feelings.
zii-feelings ezenza mama akazibize
Uzibize zintombazana. So suppose ifila ukuthi intombazana. Makabe intombazana.
kaloku
Because
wena ndiyazithuta izintombazana ne but like amandla like ne-feelings azifani.
Okay.
azifani but
Amandla
okay
ne-feelings.
wintoni utshela intombazana ne. Intombazana does inayo isikhathi somjito.
akana
Like originally like in the
Do
inquiry.
you know what I don't want about gays? If uthi gay, if you want to be a female, treat yourself as a female.
nayo uzithuta
When it's as a female like
As a female ne.
but annoying like umfana ndingombe hayibo.
Don't compare yourself namajita because if thina singamajita siyakubona you treat yourself as into as a female.
Ingani
But
like
still usayenza izamajita kula amajita azoqala khona ukuchallenge.
wait hayibo
Mayibe yiloyo.
bayazishayelensha nje kwangoku like
Bese ngiqale ngethome yami ngifuna umention igama lakhe
If intombazana
Like,
intombazana
ingakani understand.
eyami ithomi iyayilufethe serious nomjito and ambethe
uxoka.
then ndiyaxela ithomi yami yo eyami ithomi yo hayi ngase yo
Alo chomi yakho.
kaloku
Muhle behamba nje emoyeni.
Oh, see, I have a question I want to pose. Ayaka. So, like, since we came, like, we are twice, one year twice. That's what
hayi bo ushilo uba uyi-straight gay
So, what does it
Uyatwaqa.
uyathwala
She's a girl, dog.
mean? Oh, yeah.
It's like even if you date when at the end he's the girl, she's the girl.
Bezositshwa
Oh,
kahle.
yeah. Uthe she's a straight gay. Kodwa imizwa iyavuka.
Emajitini.
Emajiteni.
ivukela amajita
Kanjani like
because he's a straight gay
like whoa, yini evukayo is
ubhuti hayi one into enemiza
that what he's asking ukuthi mase kufika leyo point ukuthi bayaheva.
Oh,
Is she
ngayicacisa.
on top or
okay.
she's
She's
on top?
she's at the bottom.
She's
You like
she's together.
so la
She's together as well.
zangoyifumana la nto umjita athi ndiyenze nam
Yo, yabona lo mini cokela ukubhupa. Okay, like so thina kanjona nomfana wasegrapha kanjona nomfana wasegrapha abo like so thina sasijola for I think 2 months so like since like like ndihlala nasegrapha so like ndaqoma khaya ndiye kumalimi wami egrapha yabo but ndandingayi kumalimi wami ndandazi uba ndiyaphi ne but like ekhaya ndaphuma ndisinde kumalimi wami so nyani ke ndahamba ndaya kuye ke umfana but like ngibona ngwaphelela xesha loba yabo so ke ngoku I think abe 2 rounds I guess then like wathi ucela ndiphindise
wathini
So
thomo
ufuna iva kuye yena.
like
Waphindisa.
hayibo
sewusuka
shilo nje uba like hayibo guys
zange wayenza ngicela ubusanga wayenza ebomini bakho
Okay, so wena what was the response apha kuye ngena athi kaba
Phindisa.
phindisa.
hayibo chumda ahamba of course
akoma hayenza
hayibo like ndadana like ndadana like udana like
ungayilindelanga
How do you
loo nto
expect him to act? Because at the end of the day, he's also a gay.
kaloku bengayazi uba
hayibo
yinto enje ya
like yena uyayazi mos uba ndi-straight mna
You s-
Like, yeah, no, okay, no. Okay.
So all you're trying to say is, if you date a gay, one of you guys has to be a lady.
that's why ndisitsho uba like mna and that's why ndisitsho uba mna like andinojola like ne-gay andinojola ne-lesbian jona umfana o-straight
No, straight. But he's
U-straight.
kaloku
Hayibo.
yes
W's in a what?
yima abafana onabo banabo namantombazana sosukuba nanqoma umfana ujona nawe aphinda ajona neyintombazana yo uyayivuma wena loo nto
Yes.
awufuli betrayed
jani
kakuhle uqoma kha ndiyatyelwa awubi nayo laa nto
Nope.
Oh.
Like, siyakhathalela
Campe le nto nayo campe yona guys yeah. I can't share
The podcast.
whatever usalayo mna ndinomona I can't share awubi nalo mahani nomona so yo what if athi wena uqoma ufuna uya kuye namhlanje athi
uzoxelwa abantu bakhe nanje njalo imali imufi ecaleni
abayazi loo nto like akaya
uzazi la
like yena ukile yena ugayi akaziyazi loo nto
Uba.
uba uyazi uba okay umfana wakho unentombi ufile grand nentombi yazi uba ukhona
Nope.
oh okay that's cool ibed
Ja, ngibungayo kuyena ukuthi uyabona ukuthi amantombazane emaningi emhlabeni. Ayizwa le nto. So akumele avumele ukuthi okay, njengoba sibaningi bebaningi amantombazane and abafana bebancane. Ethathe bonke abafana abalethe kuleta yona. Ayizwa le so naye she's allowing ukuthi abafana laba date nabo bahambe futhi bephindele kwamantombazane.
uyasicingela singamantombazane awusicingela ukufa shame uyajonga uyavunya ufihlo ungaziwa wena imagine akasicingeli
anyashe
akasicingeli na
Hayi bo. Ngxaki like insothi na.
Una choice.
Andiyithandi public. Aphandle koba na choice na choice isiqidi. Qhala like andiyithandi kwaye like I public relationship.
Ayithandi.
zawungaba nayo la relationship yaziwa nguwonke umuntu
Ayithandi.
Ewe like njengangoku like uyafuna but andifuni.
Iyafuna.
Yes.
Mfezo lo.
Hayi andifuni.
akafuna umveza nje
You want to know this guy.
namo wamanzi umveza
I'm on Facebook and posting.
Who's this guy?
usiyoli
Ngusman.
Smile.
Smile.
Yeah.
Mezelo kanye nomzamo.
Oh ayinjalo ke mina. I know for location.
okay yeah location yani ke like that ufunda phi akafundi kwanze like
Not
hayi
I
bo
want to pose a question. Say igezi. I mean after that kulibaduleni umzamo kanye ezola.
Oh ayizona.
Ezola.
oh after you pakuthi Greenfield
no desert konta levura. Sevato ngapanye.
Bafika.
Bagcwele desert.
abachole desert nyani shema
Cho miyezola that icho ezola.
okay wena ufumana ihanke ezola Tom
Utsho umqala wamjona ejole ezola.
alela jole
Nothing wrong. Why are you guys making it like it's a sin?
it's not siyancoma
Course. These motherfuckers. Yes, chef.
Now like bangani abantu like ababona like when you thought mhlambe lo muntu is straight, not straight like lendlela ofuna ngayo yeza lento ngisho like straight like me. I'm a boy nje angihlangane na guys kodwa but khona leyo mini le wathi uthi uyambona mhlambe he's wanting you something like that. Sekenze into kanjalo.
Yes.
Like how many times mhlambe khona
Oh
umazi
hayi.
ongamuntu
Asibaleke. Hayi angeke.
wahandle kanjani
so ahandlisha njani ngempela
Hayi ke ngoku.
wake ngoku uyayithanda pendula
So like this guy lo wesimanye lo usimanye akelo kanye uzwethaka kanye uzoya kanye khala kanye emakhuleni.
Ngatyelo mthuzi.
I want to know Bram and not specific ngaki.
hayibo what if umjida afuna uvezwa hayibo
You think I care about him?
cuma siphi apha eshe
I don't care about him.
what if like umjida unentombazana ke uku-even ngale nto hayi eshe don't be offended
After that must be exposed. Umuntu macaca uba umephi. Singale sehleli naye apha kanti umuntu kwathina. Yeva lo. Sidibala endleleni ujila la siyanxila. Kanti nokulinde yasitipayo ingene kuthi. Lasibazi lobujika lo. Kubani?
so ayaka
Andizongichaza.
angichazi nyani tsho kana bethe ngu-SM umzothe
No.
Uyamchaza, kodwa
No. Ayingxaki.
Ithi omnye nawe. Umakhuleni.
Nomboka.
Asoze kaloku idibe ngomnye.
So zanibhali bafana kwibhayo man phambili.
Good. Utani
One
pamenanga.
thing I wanna know, ne? Ayaka. So how it grows, ne? It happens, but okay, kugcwala ama-bras ba, amajita, ne? As well as nani, ne? So like say, how do you handle the negativity yabantu? Because if you're xa groove, you get this away, but you are as one as the upper. Like how do you feel about that? And like so ufila njani ngamajita, like athi are straight, but achaja igaze. What do you think about them? Ngaba la majita are straight, okanye say there's something behind.
Bendibuzileke lonto.
Like ayikindenzekele lonto like sothina but like ngoluvo lwami like mina ngam-expose like
Ngamveza Choma. Njengabo bevezwe pha ku Facebook. Khangufile ngathi bani moshela la abaya beveza abafana guys. Na feel like bani moshela kayiqo machine ayichomi zami sana.
ingxaki like umuntu like oyenze into like wrong like akano expose nje espacing.
Hayi bo bebenze into namala amajita. Bebengenza nganto bebevezwa nje uba okay.
The question is mamela. Ingaba like amajita uclaim ba straight, ne? And then bayakwazi ukuthatha bad nge-gays but you I don't want to like stay close to the gays. You just want to just dika. Do you think ba straight like straight okanye like say there are also like gays qha bafuna ujamisa?
Bagay kha bafuna ujamisa.
Ufila njalo ngalo majita njalo.
Why?
Like Jordan fila njani ke?
Like ufila njani ngabo uyayithanda lento bayenzayo like
Aye, of course.
awuyithandi ne. Okay.
But like andiyithandi but andiyihoyanga.
Oh no, because I'm my experience.
So it means like say if umshita like say if like say you're not a gay, I was born in like in a case. But like say if you're not like in a case, meaning that like say call you behind glory.
Not always.
Not always. That was born in like meanwhile being a case. I get it.
Okay, there's one question I wanna ask. What do you mean?
So when was the point whereby you were like, you know what? At this point, I'm showing myself out. You know, but I'm gay. Like when the point where you were like, I'm letting the world know I'm gay. How did you get to that decision?
And when did you get to
And
that
when
decision?
was it?
Yathika.
Yache.
Kwakunini? Thina kho iqala ukubona nini mina? Qala ukubona nini? I think ngo-2024.
Hayi kudala shem hayi yandazi. Ndandisemncinci kodwa into endiyazi.
Una 8.
Nope.
Maybe 13.
Una 5.
Hayi.
Get 5.
Hayi bayikhona pha kumengizike sana. Oh.
Yeah, go in.
Yeah.
Hayi ke gogo. Shini.
Mdala yani yazi.
Thetha Thobi.
Qala ukubuza ayakha. That's
Angaphela.
your time. Funa abafana abanjani wena? Sinhloni type zakho, abafana abanjani type zakho? Abafana abanjani? Funa abafana abanjani?
Zothina. Omde bemnyama. On a 6-pack.
6-pack again.
Abe ne-deep print.
Kuthiwa mayivele i-deep bad. I-deep bad.
Like bra. Yanokudala bona kwi-point. Why like abantu like especially intombazana. Why amantombazana if like umjita? If like umjita ubontombazana enxibe like a short skirt then athi kanje bra nyusa iskate. Why intombazana ifila like engathi i-violated?
Asuqhele.
But emjiteni
Suqhele.
iyakwazi ujonga i-dick print. Why?
Sozaxelela ba i-deep print yakhe u-1010 ingxaki.
Like
Sozaxelela.
why? Because we are fixing you must ba maybe in case
Kutozozimasimandisi
Hayi bo,
news
ngingamasibonga sasikethi.
bra kahlamba kwabanye abantu
No.
like izinto ezinhle
namathi kanjalo sozenzibesa
So ngacepheza hayi.
sometimes mhlambe isikhathi singancinci ne but sometimes siveze like maybe something so that lo size we know baka sesincinci maybe sometimes
Disinxibe ndisazi.
no uhamba the way mhlambe sanyuka like
ndisinxibe ndisazi
mamela mhlambe sanyuka like kakhulu so nase lose isigate
ndisinxibe ndisazi basawunyuka kakhulu sondithi mali suthi mandisinyuse ndisinxibe ndisazi bujonge into xa uzabona loo nto no na indoda yam qha inongixela loo nto ubhebi khana ngixaba abanye adohlisa iskate no axaba bhebi jonga kuvele ukutya kwam hlisa
like amantombazana bra anemistake intombazana can body shape umjila ngomzimba wayo but we are not allowed to body shape
Immediately your body shape it goes wild.
it goes wild
No, it's because it's honestly it's very unfair to be a child in South Africa right now.
Hey, you are strong. I know.
usitrongo nyani
If I body shame you will feel offended and you will make me trend.
wena ngawuthi body shame intombazana
Why would you body shame me?
because like it's not the same izohita different
You mad?
yes
you see like
ukumila kwamajita akubalulekanga okwamatombi kubalulekile no akubalulekanga
like ufike pa ayonteshe bo
You are immature.
lase abantu sancama sebangono taxi ngokuza accept basendele
imagine umthethe la intombazane nayo nteshe
just step in the shape ba yo afuna la kuyo nontombi
nama amantombazana ayayenza loo nto but not wonke ayayenza
sesikanje yo mele stoki bo
abanye akwazi ukuthi ayofika nje kubona milistock adimo milistock
Imbombozi.
hayi cela uphakama shame mna nje hayi jonga nesistock sasithi istock esije guys
balumini kathi imbombozi
Hayi ke njalo ke wena.
Jim lo I hope ubhebi ubukela le nto sham I hope uzayibuka
wakudlala
Wakudlala ukushika.
ukuthola rap ya
antoni izithethayo nina
Tsale rapper.
eze kuwe bra like wena yabo so sabuyela ku I've been waiting for this day to confront this girl you bra that day we were shooting podcast in a rapper here
You chose
wena we pick me when that day
and she
I
agreed.
don't want to lie we pick me when
She showed signs of agreeing.
yeah
Yeah, she showed signs.
yonke ayithethayo umjija
wrong
like
Whoa,
Hayi ke ngikho.
that's why.
Koba sathwani.
like why bro we pick me that day you were just careful yeah I knew it but
kaloku bengingamazi bengenayo into endizathetha kuye bezothetha ndithini kuye
why
itshomi yam iyaphakamisa
everything
ezinjani
yeah accept uba umjito ongenamali akayongxaki
hayi akayi uyiyo tshomi
Hayi.
uyiyo na
Hayi.
alo guys
understand ba akaphangeli
unemali
akafuna uphangela
Hayi akhona.
like akafuna uphangela ngokwakho uthina akafuna umsebenzi
yima nguba nothi
uthi kanje uzafocus emculweni wakhe until whenever akafuna uphangela akafuna uphangela
hayi guys ndizayibukela le nto lo
you think I care
unayo nje
ikhona intombazana eno accepta loo nto
yabo iright into erongo guys into erongo guys nandiqhoma ngeke efanele
awusoze tsho uthembele ngomculo angonestiseko
Chomi isitolo sojola forever ingani so asiziba together forever besinana ayikho
accepta
guys
elayinini mxelele nyani bamntasamba phangela
ayikho into erongo ongaphangeli kwakhe ayikho into elekhayo ngokungaphangeli kwakhe first thing
one by one
guys no fana khona ikmanga ungaphangeli baby ungaphangeli
Baby. Like, bras, honestly, yabo. Tithethela in the point of lo mjito repayo ngaphambili. Yabona bra, when you get to a point where you believe in music, it makes money for you. Firstly for him, ndiyamazi. when he releases a song, he releases it on all digital platforms.
How much?
So ingoma zakhe, if the money to mameli menzela imali. So for him ngenze kuba la mali andazi, ngenze kuba la mali ya maintain.
Usho wenza imali.
Sure, because if you release songs on all digital
Wenza
platforms,
imali inga.
I don't know, and he has network. My
Okay.
point way is that immediately you believe in music, I swear music will make money for you.
Okay.
imani ithethwa ngabani apha?
And ubhebe ubheliva ku-music ke ngoku.
Young age.
Hayi futhi.
People
Yeah.
Anything.
Eshe. Komnye na.
And the employed.
But like how hard to make money in music platforms.
It's not really hard.
It is hard.
It is hard, bro.
Hard,
Exactly how much?
How much is it? You know?
But at the end of the day, you can't blame someone for what he believes in.
No, guys uzovela apha
I'm
inside.
picking up war.
Like for example,
I'm cool.
him might for
Guys sifike njani ngetopic abantwana ngoku. Why?
for example. Now I do believe we will say that I'm also working.
Okay.
I'm working.
But now I'm choosing the day I resign from work. So it's
resign.
permanent.
So resign.
I will only resign when one
Okay.
Yeah, it makes
Maybe naye ubonile kaloku umfundo wakho wenza into. Maybe naye ubonile umfundo wakho wenza into.
He was
Zago
he said
wasebenza
was a
futhi.
span and there's nothing wrong. He feels like. Yabo?
Guys.
So I feel like, man, if you're an artist, you view everything different. I won't lie. Immediately when I record a song, it doesn't matter if it's about 45 views. In my mind, I'm gonna say 100k views.
Okay.
And for him, I believe by because it releases it on all digital platforms, and a lot of people do listen to the guy.
Do you know one say?
Hello.
On YouTube. I got screams in ngakho.
Kodwa nomameli.
But if you
Wena kaloku ndiyamamela.
I mean, on Spotify, you don't know how many people listen.
Dijongile lapha dude still.
But at the end of
Bram,
the
I
day,
don't-
you only eat
Yima
on what you
ku-Spotify
feel.
kuyabonakala uba ngabantu abangakanani ba.
Just imagine. Million views, bruh. With 1 million streams on Spotify in South Africa, to generate 60,000. 1 million. 1 million.
Imagine.
But at the end of the day,
1
bruh,
million.
if I can survive the whole month, 100 rand, you won't
Because
blame
your
me.
parents.
You
do
have
it.
much-
I don't think he has parents. He said,
Okay,
asking.
Hayi nyani, uthetha inyani. Uthetha inyani singasoze.
We will speak about it even if the
Yeah, we'll speak about
so
it.
thetha ngayo xa.
We'll speak about it. So, what's your plan about your career as a model?
Do you see i-modeling ikwenzela into?
Yes, I do.
Don't like
Intoni leyo?
Mali, of course.
how much man does the models? These are my lady models exactly.
Iyaxhomekeka imali yenza xa u-international. But nalapha locally uyayifumana but like
How?
like i-pageant like kaloku i-pageant like xa uwinile uye uwine imali.
Engangemalini.
Yeah.
Iyaxhomekeka i-prize ebekiweyo. So ixhomekeka ne-pageant uba inkulu kangakanani na.
So xa international, so imali ifuna izimodeli iqala kubani iphele kuba like between
Ayixoxa ubani qha ixhomekeka i-pageant uba inkulu kangakanani. So umzekelo mhlawumbi Miss South Africa kwawufumana mhlawumbi 1 million then nendlu. Yabo, which is Miss South Africa i-pageant enkulu. Yabo.
okay.
So ihamba kanjalo.
Lala nomntu.
Ikhona lapho uwina imoto ke sandava kuthiwa ukhumiso uwine ibhola.
Yes.
Wa.
You like wena uAyaka. When you're busy, what are your plans for your career? What do you ask? Ayo brala ukhona umuntu ngena pressure but i-career yakhe.
Ay like
Ku-Ayaka.
ndim yani.
How? You are not set up by modeling most.
Yes, I am, but like
But
so
other
now.
plans, like usibona uphi in 5 years to come.
Hayibo, of course manje phezulu mos.
Ungu-Miss South Africa.
Yes, uyayibona into ezinjalo.
But see ukuze ufike yapho, what steps do you need to take? The steps zakho.
I need to work hard, yabo like into ezinjalo like
You need to work hard on then
Work hard and work with people.
like into ezinjengo-rehearse like into ezinjalo like zonke zanto iwayike
Okay. Guys, mina umbuzo kade ngifuna ukubuza la, it's okay. Uthi how to gay people to get their money. Like thina esikhathini esiningi guys, siwabona ama-gays like siqake ukuthi hayi wenze njani yini ayenzayo ukuze athole imali. Thina amajita singayitholi kwenzakalani nenze njani
confidence
vele angaqhamuka like e-YouTuber then wenza imali like waqala waba nemali before astart e-YouTubing tontoni
hayi
Abeka content.
qhameka comment content yakho ne-confidence onayo ngento oyenzayo
Clever esikolweni.
ba
Well,
ayikho clever
okay.
Awu uzoyila incwadi zakho.
Do you know why I ask? Because most gays are clever.
Most nyanyani.
Most gays are too clever.
Like suthetha
For me, I feel like all over offended. But I feel like if these gay people that are out there, the main point that drives them to be rich, they have got confidence. With confidence, you gain sponsors. You gain people who like the way you are confident. So I think all that money, most of the money comes from his sponsors.
Let's go, bro.
Nah,
Let's
I've never
go,
seen a gay.
Jan.
I've never seen a gay who have graduated and say I've got money because I graduated.
but have you seen igay engekho engenasikolo?
hayi
Gay
nyani
in the school. Njoba ndo andifane nimamele.
Ayikho igay engenasikolo brand.
Do you know where I did English?
Who?
More the gays clever, bro. Clever, too much.
And asinangqondo yesikolo qha. Uniki nyani. Akanangqondo yesikolo qha. Ingqondo.
Most yazo. Those clever, bro. And so neat. So uzibona igame tag.
Hayi uyaxoka ke yapha. Uyaxoka. Andifuna umenze kodwa ndibethanda inye. Andifuna umenze igama lami.
Celuzwe la
Angiqonda yabazi ke uyabazi. Angiqonda yabazi.
mina into engayizwa kwamanye ama-gay yabo engangihlangane like so ngangiwabuza nabo the same question yabo kodwa bona bangiphendula on what bona into babeyenza yabo so babengitshela ukuthi bethu bona basebenza ngokuthi nabantu abasebeshadile ama-after nines
Okay.
like umqasha umuntu utshela ukuthi okay you know what zokubhukhela ihotela hambe endaweni ethile zofika mina lapho uyazi futhi ukuthi lo muntu unomfazi ushadile into kanje yabo so wenza imali ngalokho so ileyo mbuzo ebengifuna ukwazi ukuthi mhlambe abanye wena okay wena uyibona uhamba kanjani kulezo step lezo like are you going to take the same route or what
akandiyiva question yakho mna like
It's like
wenzani hotel qala
are you gonna yotwanga no hotel?
hayi uqwayiza no
Hayi tsho mngaziyenze lana.
hayi bo
Angazi ke sana. Phofu. Sozika. Azangakweza ke lana umjita acimba uyintombazana.
yo
Then afuna ukubetha xa irealize ba we-gay.
ingakho kumna before ndithethe nomjita nami
Ucaba mgay.
yes
Okay.
Yeah, okay. I think now the time is up. It's been like 5 hours now doing the podcast. Umbagu social so that people will follow you, check you more.
ayakha mkhwenkwezi
Bani?
Everywhere.
ayakha mkhwenkwezi
Just about.
ayakha mkhwenkwezi
Okay, wena.
Facebook Arolang County. Instagram Arolang NN. Yeah.
Still Instagram ona bana bakunxosayo.
Ngasikuba Joni. Uyaxoka.
Hey yo guys.
Abosando.
Bro, we are closing the podcast now. You can all keep quiet and smile. Hey yo guys, it's AJ Sagna here, the sexiest man in South Africa. The chocolate you know.
Ayiba kubana Joseph. Kubana Joseph. Kubana
on top of you, bro. I'm doing my aim. Hey yo, it is AJ Sagna here, the sexiest man in South Africa. A chocolate you know vanilla, sexy more than your boyfriend.
not mine.
On top of you, a man with a master plan with money and pleasure. I don't mix enjoying and pleasure. Don't forget, this is AJ Sagna and Friend Podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and share, comment, do whatever you want, and tell us who must be our next guest.
Comment,
on this
guys.
episode.
Comment.
This
Comment.
is episode
Comment.
12 with Ayaka and Arulang, the unsexy people that I have.
Nyangoma.
Ngoba sathwa.
See you when
Go
you
back,
see you.
Tata.
Thank you.
Iza.
Bye.
Go back, Tata.
Bethula, yho.